Hello guys, in this video we're gonna review the Cadbury Bournville Cranberry 50% dark chocolate. I bought it for 110 rupees from GeoMart. Dark chocolate is very good for your health. You can see cranberry pieces in the chocolate. The taste is very good.